Hello, people of Zion. Welcome to step 3 of 4 in my Investing in Crypto for Beginners series, where I talk all things wallets. All right, this is where I show you how to get your crypto the heck off an exchange and into a more secure software or hardware wallet. In this video, I'm going to walk you guys step by step through how to set up the hardware wallet LEDGER Nano S as a backup to your LEDGER Nano X. You know, you want a side piece for what? No, you want to be able to access your crypto from 2 different devices. I get it. No judgment. I did it too. And if you want to know how to transfer your crypto from an exchange or other wallet into your Ledger wallets, or how to set up the LEDGER Nano X to begin with, feel free to check out those videos. But in the meantime, let's get to backing up our device. Welcome back, the Oracle from the blockchain here, and happy to help guide you through the golden crypto country. Now remember, when it comes to discussing all of these wallets and exchanges and things, I am not a rep for any of these products or anything. I'm just going to show you how I did it so that you can see how it can be done. Okay? So without further ado, let's get into it. To use your LEDGER Nano S as a backup for your LEDGER Nano X so that you have 2 wallets that are able to access the same crypto, you're going to take your soon-to-be backup LEDGER Nano S and connect it via the USB cable that it came with to your desktop or mobile. I'm using it on the desktop. And you're going to get the display message that says, "Welcome to LEDGER Nano S." You're going to click the right button to continue. You'll be told to press the left or right buttons to navigate through the selections they offer you, and press both buttons simultaneously to validate a selection. Then it's going to tell you to go to ledger.com/start, which will send you to the Ledger Live app, just like we did all this stuff when setting up our LEDGER Nano X. I don't know if you need to do this part when setting up a backup, because when I was doing the process, I didn't need to access any of that stuff, the app or desktop, any of that stuff. Not one cotton picking time. But, you know, I'm a good girl who likes to take directions from dominant software, so I went ahead and did it anyway. Back on your connected Nano S device, you'll scroll past the selection that says set up a new device by hitting the left or right buttons, and validate restore your recovery phrase by hitting both buttons. You'll then choose your 4 to 8 PIN code that's then needed to access your wallet, and you can stick with the same PIN code that you used for your Nano X if you want to make life easier on yourself. Or if you want extra security, you can change up your PIN code. All you need to have duplicate wallets is the same private key. Just make your choice. The choice is yours. To create your PIN code, scroll through the numbers, hitting the left and right button, to get a higher or lower number. And when you get the number that you like, hit both buttons to validate that number before moving on to the next number. And then when you're done, hit confirm PIN code. Then you're going to input your private key, the 24-word unique recovery phrase that you got when setting up your LEDGER Nano X, and you're going to put those in one by one. You go through each letter, pressing the left or right button to select your letters, and don't start taking off your shoelaces now, because after about the 3rd letter, they will start to guess what word you're referring to, and then you just hit both buttons at the same time to say yes, and then go on to the next word, the 2nd word, 3rd, 4th, and so on and so forth. And after you're done with the 24th word, it'll say processing, and you now have your backup. Your LEDGER S is ready to go. Remember, just because it is a side piece, a backup, doesn't mean it can't still destroy your life. So keep it safe just as you would your main chick. All right, your LEDGER Nano X. And if you missed how to set up your Nano X, make sure you check out that video. If you want to know how to transfer crypto in and out of these wallets or whatever, check out videos on that, any of that stuff on Trezor, everything. I got you. In the meantime, remember that this is the Oracle from the blockchain, reminding you to eat a cookie.